Hi guys, Apple has recently added a neat new option after iOS 26 update that lets you send a smaller sized previews of images over messages so that recipients can get them right away before the full resolution image arrive. So send photo faster after iOS 26 update. To do so, go to settings of your iPhone. Here go to app settings and here look for messages settings. Tap on messages and here scroll down and you will find the option send low quality photo previews. If you are traveling with limited cellular data or using a internal data connection, the recipient can only gets a compressed preview version, ensuring the original high resolution image does not hover up your data. So enable this feature, send low quality photo previews, and your photo will be sent faster after iOS 26 update.